Effective time management maximizes productivity and reduces stress levels. Entrepreneurship drives economic growth and fosters innovation. Financial markets play a crucial role in allocating capital efficiently. Artificial intelligence revolutionizes industries and transforms various sectors. Effective public speaking skills engage and captivate diverse audiences. Public transportation infrastructure enhances mobility and reduces traffic congestion. Gender equality empowers individuals and promotes societal progress. Technological advancements in healthcare improve patient outcomes and quality of care. Sustainable fashion practices reduce the environmental impact of the fashion industry. Effective risk management minimizes potential threats and maximizes opportunities. Open access to information fosters knowledge sharing and collaboration. International trade stimulates economic integration and global prosperity. Social responsibility initiatives create positive social impact and promote ethical practices. Technological literacy equips individuals with essential skills for the digital age. Effective crisis management ensures prompt response and mitigation strategies. Social inequality hinders societal progress and requires collective action. Financial planning promotes financial security and long-term wealth accumulation. Technological innovations in transportation enhance efficiency and sustainability. Effective marketing strategies reach and resonate with target audiences effectively. Poverty eradication requires comprehensive social and economic interventions. Environmental awareness fosters sustainable practices and conservation efforts. Technological innovations in agriculture enhance productivity and efficiency. Effective project management ensures successful outcomes within given constraints. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform various aspects of our lives. Effective workplace communication fosters collaboration and boosts productivity. Sustainable urban planning creates livable and resilient cities for future generations. Technological advancements in renewable energy drive a shift toward cleaner alternatives. Effective classroom management supports a conducive learning environment. Social entrepreneurship addresses social and environmental issues through innovative solutions. Technological advancements in digital communication revolutionize how we connect.